Chef and Chefette.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
Those lungs, bro. I didn't even know you could do that.
I was a backup singer for Milli Vanilli back in the day.
Just because you said Milli Vanilla, that
What?
Milli Vanilla. I see.
Who?
That shows your age.
I said Milli Vanilli.
And you doing Michael Jackson moves?
Milli Vanilli. Do you even know who Milli Vanilli is?
Before my time. Before my time.
All right, guys. We are back.
I'm that old.
You always trying to play me.
Just say you old.
You want to tell our faithful subscribers what we doing today?
We making something to we fishing. We going fishing today, guys.
I got one. It's a big one. Nah, throw that thing back. Throw that thing back. I don't want that. Throw that thing.
You want it?
Throw that damn fish. I don't want it. Throw that back.
I spoiled?
Throw that back.
I saw.
That was a sea robin. That was a sea robin.
I'm a mermaid.
Oh, throw that damn mermaid
I'm a
back.
mermaid.
I don't want that fish. Throw that thing back.
So guys, we're making some kind of seafood.
You know what fish I want to catch?
Me.
Throw that damn fish back. Get off my line. Get off it. Tell them what we're making today.
We are making a honey garlic glazed salmon, guys. It's gonna be banging because we making it.
It's gonna be bad.
Yes.
I can't wait. I taste the honey garlic already.
It's gonna be so good.
It's gonna be delicioso.
And the best part about it is, guys, it is so simple to cook.
Yeah. It's simple.
1, 2, 3.
How long do you think it's gonna take? Because I'm hungry already.
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Guys,
Done.
I hope y'all ready. Because we about to make this banging, famous, world's greatest honey garlic salmon. So when we come back, it's about... Hold on.
You right there?
All right. So when we come back,
You right?
it's about to go down.
Beautiful chef queen is back. All right, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients we need for this quick, simple, fresh fish salmon recipe. So here,
Fresh fish salmon recipe.
all right, this honey garlic.
Go ahead.
You want me to tell them? You want me to say that's how you want me to feel better?
Fresh fish salmon.
It's
Fresh fish. We know salmon is a fish. Fresh fish
Guys,
salmon.
if you ever have to deal with him 24/7, y'all would understand.
Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe.
My pain and my struggles.
Subscribe. Y'all can deal with
Y'all
me
just pray for me
all the
please.
time.
Oh my God. All right, guys, listen. We have our 2 pounds of salmon here, okay? Look how good this looks. Nice and pink. Get you a pink salmon. If it ain't pink, don't buy it. All right? Good. Now, we have a pinch, which is half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Two.
Taking notes. Doc and pay.
No.
Taking notes and dock and pay.
You can't do that to a head chef.
This is like the third time you said head chef. You're not the head chef.
I am the head chef.
I am the head chef.
You're not.
I am the head chef.
You're not.
Anyways.
You're not.
Okay. Okay, assistant.
I am not the assistant.
All right.
Okay, editor.
All right.
You're not the
Oh,
assistant. You're not.
all right. Eye candy.
What?
Nothing.
I didn't think.
I didn't say anything, assistant.
Good. I'm not the assistant. I'm
didn't-
the head chef.
Okay.
Good. Get it right.
All right, assistant.
You ever get hit during camp?
Plenty of times.
You want to get hit again?
Nothing new.
Behave yourself.
Won't be the fifth time. Yeah, I didn't say first time.
That's
It
it.
would not.
not pop up.
Chef Trini is my name. Get it right.
All right.
Ow! Come on. Damn, man. You always hitting somebody, man.
Listen.
One day I'm just gonna drop the camera and walk off.
Then you quit.
I don't want to break.
now
I don't want to break the camera. That's
Only
all.
the head chef is left.
You ain't got nobody to hold this damn camera.
Then I need a new editor.
Good.
That's what I said.
Get the dog to edit.
That's fine.
Good. Come here, Roofie.
His name is Milo.
Come here, Roofie. Rufus.
Pay attention.
I am paying attention. You abusive scunt.
Listen.
Mm-hmm.
We're up to the brown sugar.
Mm-hmm.
We have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Yeah, go ahead. Make another mistake.
2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna use. What?
That's 2 tablespoons of butter.
Yeah, it is. It's melted.
Oh.
2. It is.
Okay.
We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of honey.
Uh-huh.
And 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let me put it over here.
Can we get back to that butter though? That don't look like 2 tablespoons of butter, bruh.
It is.
I'm gonna zoom in on that butter. That's a lot of butter.
It is. And we're gonna
I'm just gonna notate this and dock your pay again. Carry on.
And we're gonna have Chef Trini grind up some of this stuff.
Chef Skunt. Hell no.
Chef Chach.
Chach.
Yep.
I look like Chacha Brown to you?
Yep. Grind up some of this
I look
stuff.
like a Chach?
Yep.
I's not a Chach.
I look like a Scot to you.
Yes.
Then you look like a Chach
I
to
is
me.
not a Chach.
You look like a Chach to me.
Shucks, call me a damn.
Exactly.
A damn Chach.
So, guys, that
I
is
got
all the ingredients you need.
I got Chach your 2 hard slap.
We have this lemon here, guys, and we're gonna use this for some garnish. When we bake it, we're gonna put this around the salmon, but you're gonna see that in the next 2 steps, guys. So stay tuned for that. We'll be back.
What's up, chefs and chefettes? Chef Trini is back in the building, here to show you the next step. Come close. So what I did so far was I washed the salmon in lemon juice. I cut up some lemon, I squeezed it on there, and I rinsed it off in water. Then I cut up this salmon in sections, as you can see. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine all these ingredients. I'm gonna take the butter, take the soy sauce, garlic. You don't have to do it in this order. You can do it in any order you please. This is the order I'm doing. If you want to be like me, go right ahead. I think I broke that one.
I hope you did not break that one.
Nah, I ain't break it. Cayenne pepper,
What's that?
onion powder.
That is not funny.
I'm not laughing. I'm saving the sugar for last. Here's the Dijon honey mustard.
That thing broke. I could tell you by your face.
What broke? Brown sugar. So guys, how was your day? You guys had a long day at work? Comment below. Tell me how your day was. Let me know if y'all had a great day. Hey, boo, how was your day?
It was better till you broke my bowl. My glass bowl.
What bowl?
The one you broke in the sink.
Last but not least, gonna combine the honey.
Don't forget about the oil, babe.
Gotta save the best for last. The oil.
Mm-hmm.
The olive oil?
Yes.
I didn't forget about the olive oil. I'm not gonna combine the olive oil in here. I'm gonna drizzle the olive oil on the salmon. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
I know what I'm doing.
Silly me.
You need to worry about that broken glass in the sink.
You better worry about the broken glass in the sink.
Ain't no broken glass. What broken glass? Who said anything about broken glass? I did it.
Mío.
So guys, how was your day? Comment below. Let me know how your day was. Can you stop growling in the background? I'm talking to my subscribers.
Now I'm gonna have an odd number of glasses.
So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna take the mixture. I'm gonna mix it up. Got the sugar in there, so you gotta be a little firm with it. I'm gonna show y'all. Here's what we looking like. Y'all see that? That looks good. Mix it up. Make sure y'all get the sugar in there. Let everything dissolve. All right, guys. We need about approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. What I'm gonna do, I prefer it this way. You can add it in there. I'm just gonna drizzle olive oil on my salmon. Get it in there. I'm gonna rub it in there and make sure everything's covered in the olive oil. Get it all in there, guys. Can y'all see me?
We can see
Or
you.
do I have to fire the camera woman again?
Ay, Dios mío.
Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. And she fire, she squant. Get all that olive oil in there. So while I'm doing this, guys, I'm gonna preheat the oven 400 degrees. The salmon's gonna cook in there for about, I believe it was, I'm gonna let her tell you.
Salmon's gonna cook in there for 30 minutes, guys.
Thank you, assistant.
I'm not your assistant. Yeah, you better back away because I'm not your assistant. It's gonna cook at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. It's going to broil.
Thank you, my lovely assistant, my lovely Vanna White.
You ever got kicked?
Take a bow, Vanna. Vanna.
You ever got kicked?
Take a bow.
Why you flinch?
You got a little reach there.
Why you flinch?
Guys, y'all see? So I basted the salmon in the olive oil. Now I'm gonna add our lovely honey garlic mixture. You wanna do this?
I should be doing that, you know.
I'm gonna just drizzle it on every piece. You guys see that? Don't that look good?
Looks beautiful.
It does. Guys, so the mixture is gonna run down and soak in to the bottom. So you don't have to worry about flipping it. If you want to, you guys can. You can always put your twist. We always put a twist on our recipe. We're different. That's why it makes us very popular. We put a twist on our recipes. You guys don't have to follow our recipes to the T. You can put your twist, but you don't have to flip it because it's gonna seep in to the salmon from the tray. So I'm gonna drizzle it. I'm gonna save some of our mixture, not all, but I'm gonna save some of our mixture just in case we need a last coating. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. The oven's almost heated. So when we come back, guys, I'm gonna show you the next scene. Hold on. Damn! Damn! That's it. I'm gonna see y'all when I come back.
Hey guys, I'm back. And it's been 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys what the salmon looks like if you can't already see it. Let me see. Can you see it?
We can see.
Look how delicious of it. So it's been 15 minutes. I threw some lemon peels on there. And I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of our delicious glaze on top of it, all right? On each piece. Then I'm going to throw it back in the oven at 400 degrees for another 15 more minutes, guys. Broiling for another 15 more minutes. And then guess what? It's going to be done. And you're going to let it glaze and cook, and you're going to enjoy. So when that 15-minute comes at a done stop, we're gonna show you what it looks like. All right?
You forgot your favorite ingredient.
What's that?
Your favorite fresh black pepper. Can you sprinkle a little on top? And
That is my favorite. But you know what? I love when you do it best.
mm-hmm.
Can you do it?
No.
Why?
Go ahead.
Why?
Come on.
Come on.
Hurry up.
Come on.
Today. Oh, you don't broke it.
Just a little bit, guys. You don't need too much. Alright? Alright, so let's put this back in the oven at 400, 15 more minutes, and when we come back, we're gonna show you the finished product. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys!
What's up, YouTube? We are back with the finished product.
I hate when you do that.
Do what? What'd I do?
You always put in your... I will hit you with this hot pot.
You always doing that. I hate when you do
Show your
that.
spot. Look, guys.
Always hitting me.
It looks so delicious, right? How does it taste? Sorry. How does it taste?
I didn't get to taste it.
You just put your finger in it and licked it. Don't do it
I
again.
didn't get to taste it.
Take a pinch. That's a big ass pinch. No. Tell me how that piece tastes first.
I need another piece. I couldn't taste it. It wasn't a good
But
size.
you're chewing.
It wasn't a good size.
But you're chewing.
I need another piece.
I'm gonna do myself. This is hot, you know.
Just a little piece.
You just tasted a
I
little
gotta
bit.
tell our subscribers how it tastes.
Don't even touch this pot again with licking on them.
Guys, just the right of everything. Just enough of everything. Guys, did you mumble something? Guys, make this salmon recipe. Words cannot even Go ahead, finish, close out the damn video. Close out the video.
You say something.
I ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing. Go
Guys,
ahead.
so if you make this, make sure to comment below. Let us know what you think. Again, it cooks so fast. Like 30 minutes. Literally. And you can feed so many people with this. 2 pounds. You want to take another piece, don't you? I see a little drool.
So that's it, guys. I'm about to eat. Thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. Because I'm about to go eat.
Yes, we're going to eat this. Just letting you guys know.
We?
Yes, we're going to
Ain't no-
eat this
ain't no we.
with some white rice, okay, with a side of gravy. But you can have this with some pasta, with a side of greens, some salad. All right, guys? Don't be mocking me. I will beat you with a
All
hot
right,
pan.
we're out.
You're not out, guys.
We're out.
Let
It's
you
time to
know.
eat.
You so fat, yo. All right, guys. So until next time, like, subscribe, and comment below.